Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can add a create action for our navbar view. So in the last video, we have configured the navbar. Here you can see it's just a simple title visible now. Now let's add a create button in the right side for the shift request now. So for that, I'm going to my VS Code. Then inside the shift request, here is our navbar view. So for now, we are going to use the existing shift request template for the create action. When you check, once again, come back to the browser, and when you check the shift request, well, here's the shift request. Is the actual one that Horilla use. When you click on here, you can see the form is now showing here. So for now, let's use the same form inside our custom shift request. So yeah, you go into the VS Code. Then when you check the Horilla now, you can see some create ATTRs. If you provide this ATTRs for the Horilla now inside the Horilla now inside the Horilla theme, okay, and search for create ATTRs. Okay, here's the element actually, the create, uh, I mean the button. Okay. For that, you can add the row attribute from the Python. Yeah, I'll show you. I'm going to come back to the views. No, shift request views. Here, I'm going to provide the attribute create ATTRs. Then I can provide the attributes. First, let's see a simple alert. So it's raw. So I need to write the complete attribute over here. Yeah, first I'm going to see a simple alert when I click on the create button. So let's refresh over here. Okay, here you can see the alert or prompt is showing here. So instead of that, just use the uh, same uh, form that used by Horilla shift request. So when you check the shift request now from the base CBV worksheet tab, here also will be having the create ATTRs. It's a list. We want the now. Search for now. Okay, this is not the actual one. Let's search again. Shift request now. Okay, when it's it's work type shift request. Control now. Or now view is over here. Okay, is shift request now. When you look over here, here you can see the uh ATTS for the created ATTS like HX gate for the shift request. Maybe this URL refers to a form Horilla form view. So we will see it inside the later video. So let's use this same one. Then the data toggle or its model toggle, it will be toggling the model, and the target for data target for the model, which model we have to toggle. Then the HS target. So when the request is triggered, so inside the HX target, it will be added. So let's use this same ATTR inside our shift request. Okay, let's make it prettier. Okay, maybe we having some circular import, so we have to make it inside init function. Yeah, okay. Init then self. Okay. Oh, sorry. Restart the server. Okay. Now when you check on the localhost 8000 and refresh, and when you click on here, you can see the form is now visible. Also you can do the same. Okay, you can see the shift is disabled. So that's how you configure the uh, create ETDs for Horilla Navbar. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Yeah, thank you for watching.